Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful handmade bulb pine cone wreath design. Guys, these are very pretty and very unique collections for you guys. So I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. So guys, must subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want different other craft videos, then you guys also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you guys also share your thoughts with me that how much you like this video. So guys, always keep supporting my channel and always keep watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.